I'm Meena from Strong and Shine. Today we're going to talk about how to be productive at work. I'm going to share with you my 5 tips on how to be productive. We spend from, let's say, 9 in the morning to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. at work. Just because we spend that amount of time at work does not necessarily mean we are productive. It is not about quantity, it is about quality. How do you deliver high value work for the same amount of time? My first tip is create a to-do list. Sounds simple, and when you actually tell people to do that, they smirk and they tell you, I know. But the fact is, most people do not create a to-do list. To-do list is a really effective way for you to know what are the things that you need to accomplish for the day. So, as simple as it sounds, create a list. Second one, after you've done the list, learn how to prioritize what you need to do. Most times what we end up doing is we end up choosing the small tasks first, and then we do the hard things later. But in order for you to be really effective at what you're doing, choose to do the hard things first. Hard things also mean choosing work that have a closer deadline. Sometimes we like to fool ourselves into believing or thinking that we are being productive by just doing small things. But at the end of the day, you would have not delivered the results that you had anticipated. So choose to do the hard things first. Choose to do things that have a closer deadline. Third, just do it. Again, it sounds really simple, but creating a list, prioritizing, and not doing anything is not going to deliver you the results. So make sure after you've done the to-do list and after you've prioritized, go and do what you need to do. Number 4, learn to focus. Distraction is something we've learned to practice over time. If we have learned to be distracted, we can also learn how to be focused. It takes effort. Sometimes it's the small things that make a difference. What you have to do perhaps is switch your mobile off. Don't end up having a WhatsApp desktop version. Sit there and focus on what you need to do. As you learn to focus and as you continue through the day accomplishing the task at hand, you will feel more productive. And as you feel more productive, you are in the momentum. And as you are in the momentum, you will move faster and accomplish exactly what you intended to achieve. Number 5, take breaks. And when I say take breaks, I don't mean work for an hour and take 3 hours lunch break, or work for an hour, take 45 minutes coffee break. Taking a break is a good idea because what it does is it helps you get out of the box that you have created for yourself, and it allows you to zoom out from what it is that you're working, so that as you do that, there may be things that just suddenly pop into your mind as to the different ways you could actually be doing the work or perhaps accomplishing better results. So zooming out really is very, very effective, and you can only do that when you take a break. But again, my word of caution, take short breaks, not very long breaks. I hope this has helped you learn to become more productive through the day. For more inspirational videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Strong and Shine. And don't forget to stay connected by following me on Instagram, Strong and Shine. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.